So I look a little crusty right now. I just did my eyebrows off camera, so don't mind that. I also apply my lips. Sis, where'd it go? Oh, I used the Glamouflage concealer by Hard Candy, and then I also used my Airspun powder. I got some powder in my mouth. Oh, okay, so I used Airspun powder to set my lids, and today I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Palette by Morphe. Just real pretty. Look at her. It's like shook. And then I actually got this as a Christmas present, so I just got this right now. In like 39 April. Hey, jump poppin'. So I'm probably actually gonna start off with this one. And this one is actually my sissy's, but I'm gonna be borrowing it. So I think I'm actually gonna do like a halo eye today. Like, y'all gonna be shook. I'm just saying. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks so pretty. And then it has plastic shit that nobody cares about. This. I'm gonna be losing this like in a second. And this is what the inside looks like. Hold up. Focus, yes. That's what it looks like. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Canvas, and it's right here. I'm gonna be putting that into my crease. Okay, so as you see here, I'm gonna be putting that shade into my crease and just blending it out with a Ruby Kisses blending brush. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Define Me from that same 39A palette. Oh my gosh. And with my brows today, like they look so cunty, bitch. Like, bitch. I did that. Oh my god. And then I'm going to be taking that Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And I was so excited to use it. And then right there I was like showing the shades and stuff. And I'm going to be taking... Hold on. That shadow right there called Fun. And I'm going to be throwing it into my crease with this Profusion blending brush. And just blending and buffing all that out. Ooh, Jaclyn did that. This is so pretty. So I'm going to start doing that like in a halo shape because I'm going to be doing a halo eye. So I'm just going to make it like rounded. I'll kind of start bringing it into the lid. Right here, I was just showing the two blending brushes I was using. It was the same Wet n Wild blending brush and the Profusion brush. And then I was going back into the 39A palette again, and I was using the shade Passion with this. And then I went in with this e.l.f. blending brush, which is bomb as fuck. I can find it at drugstore because it's really good to blend out eyeshadow. And I'm like using that to really just diffuse that shadow out so it's not so like harsh. I also wanted to mention that I didn't do an intro for this video either because I originally planned for them to be Instagram videos, as I said before, but right here this was like a while back, so yeah. I was too shy to start YouTube, but then I was just like, well, fuck it. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me blend real quick. I'm gonna go back in with the first shade that I used. Hold on, I'm gonna clean this off. I'm just gonna swish, bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that shade. Which one? This one again. I don't remember the fucking name. I don't like that plastic shit. So we're just doing this. Okay. Bitch, I was all the way down here. Y'all were looking at my caspitas instead of my hair. My Here, I'm going to be taking that shade right there called Passion from the 39A palette, and it's a really like deep plummy shade. I'm going to be taking the Luxie 239 Precision shader brush. Your girl's fucking up in life. So as I said, I'm taking that brush and I'm just kind of getting that plummy shade. I'm just kind of packing it and like really gonna build up that color, and then I'm gonna blend it out later. Or actually, I'll kind of like just take that brush and I'll start blending it out a little bit, like kind of like patting it out. And then I'm gonna go with that Urban Decay brush and just kind of blend out the crease, and then just go back and forth. And just make sure I'm kind of keeping with that halo shape. Also, I'm gonna be going back with that shade called Passion, and right here I'm actually gonna be cutting my crease. So I guess before oh, and I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So before, I guess I took that shade to just kind of like darken it up, and then I am cutting my crease. I didn't show the whole thing because it's like a billion cut crease tutorial, so it's just a really quick one. I just put the concealer on there and just patted it out, and that's about it. Brush. And then Jaclyn, where'd you go, sis? Oh, she's around her. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back with that Jaclyn shade. Wow, fuck, bro, get it together. I'm gonna go in with this electric blue color. It's so fucking pretty. Like, yes, sis, she did that. Fuck it up, Jaclyn. Okay, so I also quickly wanted to mention that I'm gonna be having some weird angles as I'm doing these videos, but I'm trying to find a good setup so y'all can really see everything, and y'all can't see my caspitas all the time because the girl's psoriasis was flaring up at the moment, so don't mind that either. I'm gonna be taking the Model's Own lip topper in the shade Celestial. Sis, if you don't have this, you need this in your life. Like, I'm not even saying as an if, like, you need it. Like, it just makes any color pop. You can use it on your lips, you can use it on your eyes, you can use it for whatever you want. You can use it as a highlight. Like, B, do you see that pigment? I went from like a 2 to a 10 real quick. Like, sis, it's really cute. And then in a minute here, I'm gonna be taking the shade Passion, and I'm gonna be running that underneath my eyes and just kind of blending all that out. And then I'm going back in the shade Passion. Oh, is he bringing carnitas? Oh, girl, I love me some tacos. Also, I didn't film an outro either because, like I said there, I was waiting for my dad to bring me some tacos, and you girl don't wait for nobody when it comes to tacos. So I'm using the Blink palette. I got this as a Christmas gift, and I'm using that shade right there. They're so bright, so pretty. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you on the next one.